Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the small wardrobe design ideas because efficient wardrobe design must provide ample storage space and still give your small room can organize spacious feel. Although gaining more storage in small areas is difficult, it's not impossible. It's very possible for you to obtain wardrobes of your dreams while making your small bedrooms feel spacious. So in this video help for you, you can choose and get the perfect wardrobe should be in your bedroom. Layout and leave enough room for comfortable moment around your bedroom space. Sliding wardrobe is great solution as you save to fit better space that would require to provide in case hing wardrobes. Another greater trick to make your room feel more spacious and airy. Use sleek glass shutters or glossy light color shutter. They brighten up the room. Wardrobe with sliding doors is popular modern houses design. Their sleek contemporary style combined with space saving door system make them favorite among too many homeowners. If your room is small, it's ideal to use sliding wardrobes for storing clothes or other accessories. Sliding doors give you plenty of room free movement and avoid the room from getting too cluttered. Use every bit of your small space to create elegant bedroom design. Making use of this vertical space and corner areas is vital compact space. Great purpose by enhancing long-term storage and fully maximizing the vertical space available without the small bedroom. Floor to ceiling sliding wardrobes with console loads of maximize your storage space without cramping of your bedroom. Adding mirror panel, the sliding wardrobe creativity is very aesthetic look while also making your space feel a lot of larger. Since mirror panels and more costly option, even simple glossy create stunning and polished room. Using more creativity, layers of self on the wall showcase your below the picture. Small bedrooms, it's important that cupboard design maximize the storage space. Placing your wardrobe in the hardboard wall such that is integrated with your bed free up ton of the space in the bedroom. You can take up the drawers to the bottom of the bed. It's make study table integrated with the cupboard design offer the best both worlds, workplace and storage, utilizing corner space for study table and makes us to limited space available in small bedrooms. Adding minimal lighting and drawers, these study nooks, you can further maximizing storage in the bedroom. Introducing mirror cabinet gives illumination that there are unshaped space. The use of mirrors in the wardrobe is mainly create styling statement but also remove the needs and additional dressing mirror. You can add it all your requirements, beauty product and accessories. With the wardrobe by providing more drawers internally. Mirrors are often used to create luxurious appearance. Light adds to the sense of space that will make small bedrooms feel more airy and reduce the blockiness of wardrobe design. How to find stylish and functional wardrobe for your small bedrooms? Slick and glass wardrobes are the way to. With glass shutters, you can elegantly showcase your favorite clothing items, footwear and accessories while adding layer of privacy. By using tinted glass, using lighting inside cabinets helps in highlighting your favorite clothing piece while creating luxurious environment in your room. Apart from adding touch of modernity, luxury to your small bedroom, glass wardrobes also make the space feel more spacious. Light colored and glossy cupboards. The glossy surfaces on the light color reflect light and make the space more open and vibrant. Using combinations of natural colors in combination with wood finishes and added contemporary look enhance the space. One way this can be done by creating open shelf